You just booked a guy session and you're freaking out because guess what? You have no idea how to pose your next senior guy client. I'm going to be showing you my 5 favorite guy poses that I do pretty much every single guy shoot, and my parents of the guys love them, the guys love them, even if they don't want their photos taken, so check them out in this video. Hey there, photography friend. Welcome back if you've been to this channel before. If you're new here, hey there, I'm Sean Brown. I'm a high school senior photographer turned educator as well. So now, not only do I photograph high school seniors, I also coach and teach and help photographers run profitable, thriving senior photography businesses so that you can have more time, flexibility, and freedom. In this video, one of my favorite things to do is to work with senior guys. Now, this might be a surprise because if you go to my website, you'll see a lot of senior gal work and all the stuff around the studio. And while I would say that 80% of my clientele is female, the guys that I get to work with are like phenomenal. Their sessions are my absolute favorites, and they're also a great addition into my photography business because there aren't a lot of photographers out there that advertise as guy senior photographers. So this is a completely untapped market. But you booked a guy session, or maybe you're wondering, hey, before I even book a guy session, I want to make sure that I like doing guys and I can pose them properly. And you might be saying, all right, Sean, I've got my 2 poses. I've got the arms crossed and I've got the hands in the pocket, and that's about it. Well, I'm going to give you 5 poses that are not arms crossed, that are not hands in your pocket, and are going to make your guys feel like they're in GQ. If you're watching this and you're a Gen Z and don't know what GQ is, stands for Gentlemen's Quarterly. All the moms of the seniors know exactly what it is. So if you say a GQ pose, they typically get the idea, but if you're watching this and you're under the age of 30, you might not know what that is. Well, just know it's basically like the cool guy magazine that all the celebrities were on back in the day. So hit the like button if you know what GQ is. That would help me out. Let me know, hey, do you guys actually know what that is? So we're basically talking, how do we get super cool model-like poses for our guys? And we're going to start it out at the top with what I call the GQ lean. Now, the GQ lean is a little variation of your traditional leaning pose, and we'll put some examples of photos up on the side as we go, or right here, so you can see exactly what pose is what. So for the GQ lean, one of my favorite things is that basically this is great for suit photos, or a little bit more of an upscale, not upscale, but more put together look. So a business casual type of look. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have my guys basically turn their back towards a window or a wall. And I'm just going to have them prop up their heel basically on the wall. So it's kind of a very informal lean. And what I love to do with this is I love to incorporate this with holding onto a jacket, a blazer, sports coat. Maybe they can even just be playing with their cufflinks if they're wearing a button-up shirt or something like that. You could pretend they're kind of holding their hands, which we'll get to in a different pose as well. You could go hands in the pocket, but I want to typically spruce it up a little bit. You could also incorporate our next pose into this as well. So stay tuned for that. But the idea behind this is it's just meant to be a very casual lean. It's not something that's crazy difficult to do. So definitely check this out in your next session. We'll put some links, or not links, but we'll put some photos so you guys can see exactly how to do that pose. But my guys love it every single time. Now, what you can do with the GQ lean is you can actually use our second pose, which is called massaging the back of the neck. This is awesome. It works for far away shots, close-up shots, and it's pretty simple. The prompt is I just have the guy pretend like they got a neck ache. They're just kind of massaging the back of their neck, and that's it. And so what you'll be able to do is the GQ lean, you could have a massage in the back of their neck as they're leaning up against the wall, and you create a completely different dynamic variety of images that you can deliver to your clients as well. This is awesome because it's guys typically are what do I do with my hands? And they start doing weird things, they start clenching them. And if you've ever worked with a guy, you'll know what I'm talking about. And they're like trying to like figure out where to put them. This gives their hands something to do. Even if it's just like resting on their back, massaging their neck, those types of things. Super, super easy to do. And the guys love it. It's like it makes them feel like a model, and it's something that every single guy can pull off, even if they think that they can't model or aren't good in front of the camera. You'd be amazed at like the reactions you get from the moms when they see that photo. The other one that the moms absolutely love is what I call the hoodie pull. And so we'll put some images of that as well for you, but this is really simple. And the prompt is anytime a guy's wearing a jacket with a hood, you can just have them pull it up. Now the key is to not have them pull it up all the way. And you're just going to have them kind of hold their hands like right about here with the hoodie. And you can kind of have them glance off in different directions. You can have them looking at the camera. And what we want to do is just give it like a very like almost like they're kind of pulling up the hood. And this gives such a cool look and feel to your guy poses. But the moms love it. In fact, one of the moms of one of my guys years ago was like, dude, he is like the most awkward kid on the planet, and he like loves his photos. You made him feel like a rock star, like a model, all because of this one pose here. So if you're going for that effect where you like can completely boost your guy's confidence, because yes, even guys suffer with confidence issues, they're out there. Literally just like having them do that slight little hoodie pull is like insane. So that's like one of my absolute favorite poses that I do for guys. The next is one of the simple ones that is super easy, where you're literally going to take their hands, put them together, and for this fourth pose, you're just going to tell them, pretend like you're washing your hands really slowly. Now, you might have to explain how to wash your hands, because if it's like guys, you're like, dude, guys are nasty, they don't wash their hands and stuff. So you might have to teach them and do a little, you know, proper, we'll call this like cleanliness, but basically they'll get the idea. Just wash their hands, and it's just like this. They're just doing this over and over. And it just gives them something to do. And you can even do it a little bit slower. And this is great. So if they're like sitting on the stairs, if they're leaning up against a wall, if they're just standing there, notice how it just gives their hands something to do. And I'm just going to pretend to do this over and over again. And the key is to just kind of get it. And it just gives a really nice, like something to do with their hands that isn't just kind of like putting them in the pockets. Just really nice and easy. So literally just like this, over and over, and you'll typically have your photos done by now, so they can just kind of do this. If the guys are really awkward and they're like washing their hands like really vigorously, maybe their moms taught them how to wash their hands. What you can also do is just kind of have them put their hands together like this, and at least gives them something to do and gives it not like a super awkward look and feel as well. Now, our last pose, one of my favorites, is I just call it the one knee up pose. And this you can go more casual. And you can also go a little bit more editorial with this as well. And it's pretty simple. You're just going to have your guy sit against like a wall or some sort of like something they can put their back against. They're going to pop up one knee. They're going to keep their other leg on the ground, and they're just going to kind of prop their other hand right on their knee, just like this. And this is super simple. It gives a really nice look and feel. Any guy can do it. So notice how these poses aren't like required of a model or them to have any modeling experience, because the guys don't. It just gives them something easy to do that you're able to, again, replicate for every single senior. Now, if you want to turn this editorial, you can do things also like incorporate like massaging the neck while they're doing this. You could have them running their hands through their hair, looking off in different directions. And it, again, just gives your guys something to do with their hands. So those are my 5 super simple, easy guy poses that literally crush it. The moms love it. The guys love it. And that's our goal, is to make our clients feel and look amazing. So hopefully these are helpful. Let me know in the comments which of these poses you're most excited about trying out. And also is if you're looking to book more seniors or you're looking to get more eyeballs on your work, we've actually put together a free training, the Book More Seniors training, on how to do exactly that, to take you from the underbooked, undervalued photographer to the booked, thriving senior photographer. Free training. You can grab your spot at that down below. And as always, for next time, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single video on the channel. Smash the like button if this was helpful. And check out the next video right here for you so that you can keep on learning about senior photography education and making sure that your business is absolutely rocking and rolling this year. So check out this next video we've got for you.